The best way to prepare your preschooler for learning isn't more flashcards. It's more field trips. All Around Town is a one-year pre-K curriculum built around 20 real-world adventures, and it comes with everything you need to make it happen. Inside the kit, you'll find a curriculum book with parent pages, student activities, and field trip guides for every location, a reusable sticker book and coloring book that bring each place to life at home, a matching game to reinforce what they're learning through play, a tracker to celebrate every adventure, and a backpack to take it all with you. Here's how it works. Each unit starts with a parent page that gives you everything you need to explore and learn right alongside your child. You'll spend a few minutes at the table doing simple activities like tracing, coloring, and matching, and then you'll act out what you're learning through dramatic play at home. Then comes the best part. Each unit ends with a real field trip to the place that you've been learning about. The field trip walks you through what to look for, what to talk about, and how to connect the experience back to scripture. So one day you'll be playing grocery store in your living room, and a few days later you're walking alongside the real aisles together. Then you get home and your student adds a sticker to the tracker to mark another adventure complete. The reusable sticker book lets your child build their own version of every place they visit. They get to decide who's checking out at the grocery store, who's waiting at the post office, and what happens inside the fire station. And because the stickers peel up and restick, they'll come back to these pages over and over again, rearranging and reimagining and playing for hours. The coloring book follows along with every place in the curriculum. Pull it out on a quiet afternoon, in the car, or whenever you want a screen-free activity to work on. And then there's the matching game. Flip the cards, find the match, and watch your little one light up every time they get one right. 20 field trips, 1 year of adventure, everything you need to make it all happen. All Around Town is ready to turn your everyday errands into the kind of learning your preschooler will actually remember. Grab your kit today.